In this video we will look at the design of a tiny two-story house with a total area of 20 square meters. Hello everyone. To be honest, I don't like two-story houses, but I thought this idea was quite interesting. The main task is to make an unusual tiny two-story house. In this project I will use minimalism, cubic architecture and diversity. The first floor should not be similar to the second. Each floor should be irregular in shape, and the total area of the house should not exceed 20 square meters. This sounds terrible, but let's get down to business. The facade materials are concrete, white, decorative plaster and wooden slats. To begin with, as usual, a small hallway. There is a wardrobe for outerwear, a narrow corridor and immediately a door to the bathroom. More precisely, there will be a shower, toilet, sink and washing machine, which will be located in a special closet under the stairs. Farther along the corridor is the living room, where on one side there is a very small kitchen unit. There is all the necessary equipment, a sink, a two-burner stove and a small refrigerator. There is very little space in the living room, but we still managed to fit a small sofa and a dining table here. To somehow visually expand the space, I installed a stained glass window here. It plays an important role in shaping the appearance of building facades. Behind the kitchen unit there is a staircase. Unfortunately, it turned out to be quite narrow and with high steps, but you can still climb up to the second floor. There is a bedroom on the second floor. This is one room with a single bed. At the entrance I placed a large closet along the back wall. I also add a couple of narrow but tall windows. Plans of different shapes made it possible to shape the volumetric shapes of the building, its appearance, and diversify its architecture. On the first floor, I used a large stained glass window to up the space. On the second floor, I used narrow, tall windows to support the geometry of the second floor. Also, all volumes use different materials. This helps shape the overall composition, and protruding elements add expressiveness to the entire building. In general, I think that the task has been solved. How would you make a layout like this? Write in the comments. Also leave your ideas for project in the comments. It will be very interesting to read. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next videos. Bye bye.